Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go over what I got in my Allure box. Sure, that's a little upside down. Kept thinking I should probably get cuter for you, but then it was going to take longer because I really still want to color my hair today, and I wasn't going to get cute and then color my hair and then wash it out, so that just wouldn't make any good sense. So then when I looked in the Allure box, I thought, heck yeah, we're going to do this messy, because first thing up is the NYC Freshen Up Invisible Dry Shampoo. So let's see how this works, because clearly I need a little something here. It says it adds volume without feeling like anything is in your hair. Shake the can and spray it into your roots from about a foot away. Foot away, that's a pretty big distance. Is my arm long enough? Okay. I felt like I should say before I actually started using this product though that Allure I think is like $23, $25 now a month, but I just signed up during a special last month when they had such a good box, and it made it less than $17 a box. And I got it for 3 months. So this being my second one, I only have one more box left. I'm kind of sad, so I might actually have to extend it out. All right, let's see. All right, let's brush through that a little bit. Need a little more through here, I think. I just tried to redo my braids in a video for you guys. That is a hot mess I don't know that you'll ever see because it was so hard to be able to show you me doing them and still have me able to look in that mirror right there and let you see. So then I tried to do one on this side. Oh, it was a mess. Let's see, less witchy poo vibes? I don't think so. I think I'm kind of a mess. Well, I'm not sure. I mean, I might have to say the same thing I said with the Walmart box little baby dry shampoo that I got, and maybe it is more like works fine on somebody who's going to use it on day 2, but not on day whatever the heck this has been, 5, 6, something like that. Next thing in there, retail price of $20. It's a REFY, R-E-F-Y. Brow pomade. I was able to pick my shade. I apparently picked medium. So this looks. So apparently there is on one side a brush. Yep. And then on the other side is the brow pomade. I guess that's a twist. And then you dip and do. And let's just be doing this. Because I feel like this is a little different than any other that I use. Unless it is, because I'm picturing this kind of powdery, but maybe if it's just a cream, then it's going to be a lot like one that I used to use. Just the component is kind of cuter and all together. But even e.l.f., I think, used to have like a cream one that I liked a lot. Brush them up as much as I can. Start at the arch in case it's awfully dark. And then most of it will be gone. Yeah, okay, that's good. Yeah, definitely glad I went with a medium color because that is seeming very dark to me. I don't want to sit here looking all uneven, so might as well fix that other side. Yeah, I like it. Again, I think it's a good color for me if I had the rest of my makeup on and things, but I mean the dark must be pretty black then, because this being medium seems very dark to me. Next we have She's a Bad Mother, Shut Your Mouth, matte filler lip liner, Badass MF. It says UOMA, I don't know, UOMA Badass MF matte filler lip liner in Ross. It's funny because I did something else the other day, clothing. I kept calling it like Violet and Ross, but it was actually like Violet and Roses, which makes a lot more sense. But I didn't have my readers on, and I was messing it all up. All right, let's see. That color. Let's do these lips up. Well, that is quite the bright, quite the bright liner. It says it's a $16 value, and they like to layer it, so putting a gloss over it works good. It says that it's in a pretty neutral pink. No, unless they mean neutral like it's not too warm and it's not too cool, because this is not anything I would call neutral. But okay, very good. Can't all be winners here. Then some little Mighty Patches. Says that the retail value is $12.99. This must not be a full size because I don't think that they're $12.99 for 6 of them. But it does not say how many comes in a full size package. But I love these. They've come in many times, very handy. I'll definitely have something like working its way up, and I think they work great. I like the size that is just like 6 of them that I can throw in my travel bag, so that I'm not bringing like a whole little cardboard container of them. So it's lovely. I love it. Next in here is a Kai Bon Beauty Revitalizing Face Mask. Wear the mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then massage in any serum. It is $13 for 1 sheet mask. So it must be darn good. It says for it just come from the Spa Glow. It's hydrating and soothing. Will plump and moisturize and help minimize the look of fine lines and add dewiness. I don't know, I always feel like I really like to look into the ones that act like they're $13 for one. Like if it was biocellulose or something, I could see it. If it's something that you can use while using a microcurrent or the red light therapy, something like the masks that actually can be penetrated then by that light, but a regular just cloth sheet mask, I just don't feel like there's not going to be enough serum for a one-time use that's going to be worth $13 unless it's you know, working in conjunction with something else. But I mean, if they would have said it was $5, I would have been happy and bought into it. So, you know, I'll still enjoy using that. The major product this time, look how fancy they put it in like a little fancy envelope, is the B3 Niacinamide Serum from Sunday Riley. As far as I can remember, I've not had a Sunday Riley product because they're very expensive, and even sometimes the subscription boxes that I've gotten haven't had them because I never got like the expensive Ipsy or BoxyCharm. I always just went with the like, you know, $25 base box size. And a lot of times then the Sunday Riley were just in the ones that were more like $50. So I'm kind of excited to see what the hype is about Sunday Riley products in general. The bottle beautiful, it's fine. Says that it has a milky texture that is oh so comforting. Dries down almost immediately and doesn't pill under moisturizer. That's a good thing. This editor says that within a month they saw dark spots along her hairline and her mouth fade completely. Well, that will be interesting. Because I've never had anything do that. I've got like these dark spots, you know, through my cheeks. I've had some of those chemically burned off and lasered off, and they just, nothing fades them. It's like they say, no, we're here to stay. So I'll have to remember that this editor says that within a month that those things completely faded, because I will be shocked if that's true, but very interested. So this is everything I received in the Allure this month, which is what, May? Happy Mother's Day box. And again, I mean, since it was less than $17, I am extremely satisfied. Did I even tell you how much the Sunday Riley product was? Because I don't think I did. $65 for the 1 ounce size. So right now, I just really feel like this Allure box has got it going on. If you're looking for skincare, it does usually have a lot more skincare than makeup. When I didn't even hold this up with everything else. So what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. A few of them are sample size. But yeah, I'm pleased. I'm happy to be getting this for $17, less than $17. Even though I was gonna say this is too bright, but you know what? It might be growing on me. All right. Thanks for joining me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel if you have done so. And I'll see you in another video where maybe you'll see me put in braids, or probably not. You may see me first at least get the hair in my next Temu order. Okay, thanks, bye. Thanks for staying till the end. The only quick little thing I'm going to add today is that if you watched my murder mystery clue game where I Miss Peacock and you entered that giveaway, I have changed the date of the ending of it, and I pushed it out for a couple more weeks because when I had it ending, oh, also that's in the rules too. It's just totally fine because I said in the rules that I could change any of the rules I wanted whenever I wanted. So when I had it ending, I'm actually going to be like leaving that day, and then I'm going to be gone for like 5 days, and then I'm only back for like 2, and then I'm leaving for like 4 or 5 again. And I did not want to have to mess around with trying to get people to respond to, you know, and then ship it out. So it doesn't, that giveaway will not end until like June 6th now. I almost said July, June. At least that's what I'm thinking right now. Okay. And if you didn't watch the video, go watch it because it's super fun, and go watch everybody else's, because whodunit murder mysteries are just a good time.